Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. We're talking about translations. So translations. Anybody want to know? Take a guess. Translations. Not about the. Well, kind of translations. When you translate, you change one word and move it over to a different language word. So kind of similarly, you got to think about it. Translation, as far as in math, is to slide, to move one point from another point. So in vectors, which kind of skip that section, but you'll see a lot more. Vectors is a form of translation where you take one point and another point and you combine them. The vector shows you, hey, in what direction this got moved from here to here. So the way we state those are with arrows. This right here is our translation. It's telling us that we're going to move over 8 units on the x-axis and then 2 units on the y-axis as we do that. So we're going to deal with vectors. The vector, the way you use that is you just add those to the current point, the original point, to get the new point. So for example, here, um, we have the original point, -3, 2. We're going to translate that point along the vector 8, 2. So 8, 2 looks the same regardless. It could be, you do right here and you do an 8, 2. The vector is just like the actual movement of that point. Where it started or where it end, that's something different. But the actual line itself, that's the vector here. So when we're doing this, to say, hey, we're taking our original point, -3, 2, and we're doing a vector translation of 8, 2. So we add 8 to the x, and we're going to add 2 to the y, and we end up with the new coordinate 5, 2. So don't get this confused. Parentheses are coordinates. These little arrows, those are the vector numbers that we are going to use. So just kind of just test this out right here. So here, we're going to translate square JKLM along vector 3, 4. So let's get the coordinates. Let's start with J. So J coordinate right now is 0, 0. M is 2, 2, 2, 2. ML is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4, 0, 4, 0. And then K is 2, -2. Okay. We are going to translate along 3, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. So we're going to add 3 to 0 and get the new coordinates. We're going to call it J prime. And put those in red actually. J prime. J prime means it's the new change. J prime means this got changed to this. Becomes 3. 0 plus 3 is 3, and 0 plus 4 is 4. Good. M prime, it was 2, 2. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and 2 plus 4 is 6. L prime, so 4 plus 3 is 7, and 0 plus 4 is 4, of course. And K prime, 2 plus 3 is 5, and then -2 plus 4 is 2. 2. So let's see what that looks like. Should look the same. It didn't change the shape. It just moved it. So J prime is at 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's J prime. M prime is at 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, oh, sorry, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is M prime. L prime is at 7, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. L prime. And then K prime is at 5, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2. That should be K prime. Let's connect that. It was a horrible straight line right there. But we good. We good. We good. Ooh, almost exactly. Yes, see, same shape as far as the distance from here to here, 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 here. So the same. Just got moved that away along vector 3, 4. And same thing right here, A, B, and C. So A prime, sorry, A. So A, of course, is at 9, so -9, -9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. +8. B is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then negative 4, negative 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, positive 7, and C is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6, 1, 2, 3. So negative 6, positive 3. All right, I'm going to give you 2 seconds, or you can just pause and kind of do these yourself. So we're running along these vectors. When that happens, we get 1, 2. Yes, good job, y'all. You're right. We are now at A prime, which is at negative 9 plus 2, which is a negative 7, and then 8 minus 5, which is at 3. B prime, negative 4 plus 2 is at negative 2, and 7 minus 5 is at 2. And then negative 6 for C prime, negative 6 plus 2 is at negative 4, and 3 minus 5 is at negative 2. So let's graph that. So negative 7. So that means you can tell it's going at a positive 2 and then negative 5. So it's going downwards that way. Let's look at that. So negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Positive 3. 1, 2, 3. I should probably change the colors of these two. Let's go with it's light blue right here. Light blue. Should be A prime. B is at negative 2. 1, 2. Positive 2. 1, 2. B prime. And then C is at negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 2. 1, 2. C prime. There you go. Looks about the same. All right. So that's translated.